guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to review Realme earphones, the newly launched Realme. So just unpacking it now. It's sale via through Amazon and it's rupees 499 rupees only. And this is the invoice bill. And there's the Realme headphone. Realme Buds in-ear phone, and I think the packing is very good actually. You can see the packing is too good actually. It's a very stylish, and we have a proud to be young. It's a nice logo. And first let's go through the. You can see it's very good and very large actually. It's a magnet actually. You can see it's a nice thing along with Realme logo in both sides, and I think this is right side actually. This one is right side and this one is left side, and you can see the quality is very good actually compared to the other things. Build quality is too good. And what else in the box? Let me check out. Oh, we have a few buds were there, like 4 types of buds. You can see different types of buds. 2 sets of pair of buds. You can change whenever you want. And what else? It's a user guide actually. You can see user guide, and there's a warranty. This one is said it will be warranty, and it shows warranty coverage restriction and all. Independent, no what was non-product quality issue. So some minor changes, then like some minor physical damage it won't allow, the water and other things, but other than that it is allowed. Let me check. Listen, in box it is mentioned black color, speaker size is 11 mm, rated power 3 megawatts, sound pressure is 106 decibels. I think so. I tested with JBL also, but this one is quite good. It is not a pure bass, but it's good actually. And here it is mentioned 699 price, but it is selling at the price is 499 via Amazon India. You can check it, or else you can buy from Realme website also. Okay, frequency it is 20 to 20,000 hertz, net quality 1 unit. It's a nice thing. So overall, nice earphone, nice packaging, everything is too good. It's very good. I tried with my Realme 2 Pro, currently I'm using. It's very good, the sound effect and all. I think the best one we get on this budget. This is the best phone, the best earphone we are getting actually. Hope you like this. Subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I will if you want some other headphone also, want to review, I will definitely do that. Thank you Realme. Bye.